Previously on Breakfast with Martin Bester.
This radio station that is spring clean, let me tell you something.
Oh, yeah.
Brand new imaging and jingles and songs and line.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Nothing but feel good station. New building. They're busy building everything from scratch here.
Literally everything.
Took everything down and then built us. So the first new studio we're in, you probably don't care, but I'll tell you anyway, is on the ground level. It's going to be the new Workday studio.
Yeah.
And then we'll move back upstairs because we had a lacquer view of the freeway.
Yeah, it was great.
That's right. With the traffic and stuff. So they're rebuilding a massive new studio upstairs. I was up there yesterday, actually.
Oh, were you?
Yeah. Like a nice new stage and
fantastic
screens and stuff. And it's going to be so lacquer. When I walk in here in the morning, first thing that hits me is that fresh smell of paint.
Right.
Yes, it is that renovating, yeah.
I love it, eh?
The fresh smell of paint.
Yeah. It kind of gives me it's like a smell of anticipation and new and...
True.
Change.
You know,
True.
it's like a new car smell.
Yeah. Oh, I love new car smell.
You mean it?
I love new car smell.
You meet someone, and they just smell of new money.
Smell.
Is there a smell? Is there a weird smell that you like?
Oh.
Don't tell me nail polish. That's or petrol. That's normal. We all love that, right?
Do you know what? As somebody who likes to read, sometimes brand new books, the smell of the pages of a brand new book, it immediately transports me. I'm like, oh, we're going to get into this book. It is delicious.
Okay, so I'm different to you and weird like that. I like the smell of old books.
I was about to say, I like going into an old library.
That smell.
That smell, especially leather-bound old books.
Yes.
They have a very distinct smell, which I just love.
When last have you been into a library?
Yeah, that's another
It's been a while.
conversation, yeah.
Because it does have a smell.
Yes, it does.
And it's a great smell.
Say the word library, I can smell it.
Yes.
I can even smell the mothballs.
Yes.
Oh, yes, that they
of
use.
the Dunnies jersey of the cupboard. That jersey was.
She opens the drawer with your library card.
She spots you as you walk in. She's like, that's the guy.
Yeah. She's already
She gives the assistant librarian that look. It's him. Let him pull all the books and wait for him to come to the front to remind him.
Yes, meneer Bester, gaan jy daai boek vir my terugbring? So 3 weke na.
I'm coming back now.
Yeah.
Let me know about, but it needs to be like a shocker, right? Like a weird smell that you actually like, that other people probably wouldn't like. Is there such a thing? 084 850 0942. Talking about weird smells that you actually love. It's not 'n weird reuk waarvan jy baie hou. 084 0942.
Ja, ek vertel nie vir baie mense nie, maar ek hou van die reuk van hospitale, apteke. Ja, ek weet nie, dit ruik vir my so gesond, jy weet.
Yeah, that's a weird one.
Ja.
Smells sterile.
Ek dink altyd siekte.
Yeah, it makes my stomach turn.
Ja.
Smell maar. Dis net presies waarvan ek praat. I love it when you start the message with, I wouldn't tell this to people.
Yeah.
I love that.
I love the smell of welding and spray painting. Maybe it's because my dad used to do that when I was small, and I keep thinking of him every time I smell it. So I just love it.
Ek dink jy's reg. Probably as a memory thing. I can also smell welding.
Yeah, I smell tiles being cut because my dad used to do that.
Cut tiles?
Cut tiles.
Did you do a lot of tiling?
Man, when you are the unofficially unpaid help, you do a lot of tiling.
Hence the welding and stuff as well, yeah. Ek hoor jy.
Daar is my niks so lekker soos die reuk van 'n splinter nuwe paar draftekkies nie. Daardie reuk wanneer jy die boks oopmaak en jy haal daai dun papier af en jy vry tekkie en jy ruik die binnekant. Man, dit laat my sommer daardie skoene aantrek en 10 kilos gaan hardloop.
Sure, okay.
Does not have the same effect on me.
No.
I also like the smell of it, but it doesn't do that. Marianne, goeiemôre, hoe gaan dit?
Hi, goed en jy, Martin?
Lekker, dankie. Wat so weird reuk hou jy van?
Wel, ek pump so af en toe my hare en die reuk van perm lotion maak my crazy honger.
Maak jou honger?
Verskriklik.
Wat is perm
Terwyl
lotion
ek daar sit, begin my maag te raas, so honger raak ek van daai reuk van die perm lotion.
Alala.
Is dit nie daai reuk van so ammonia, 'n bietjie van 'n reuk?
Ja, dit stink verskriklik.
Oh my gosh, that one.
Ja, ek wou net sê. Dit,
Ammonia, but no. Okay, maak jou honger sê jy.
Ja, verskriklik. My hairstylist weet al, sy sê, as ek klaar is, moet ek maar gou huis toe gaan, dat ek of iewers by langs die pad stop, dat ek kan kos kry.
Marianne, volgende keer as my hare perm, gaan ek in jou dink hoor. Waarvan luister jy?
Van Witbank.
O, ek is in Witbank hierdie Vrydag.
lekker.
Awesome.
Kom wys jou perm.
Ek sal.
Marianne, jy met daai danshare vandag moet jy gaan klits. Maak reg vir Vrydag.
Ek maak toe.
Okay, Marianne, bye-bye.
Dankie, Martin.
Bye.
Bye.
It is ammonia. It's
Yeah.
very strong. It's like hair dye and stuff.
Yeah, it's also that same smell I think of like relaxer. It's got a very potent...
Relaxing.
Strong.
Yeah.
Thanks for sharing. Keep them coming. 084 850 0942. A really weird smell that you actually really like. Asking you, what is a weird smell that you actually really like? It must be like something really odd, hey?
I think we need to start worrying because all the smells that the people are liking is chemicals that is actually putting you on a trip. So then we need to start questioning the nation and what it is that they actually like.
It's a bad time to mention glue. Yeah, I hear you.
I just love the smell of a Catholic church when you walk in there, that wood and those oils. It's a different smell altogether.
Very specific smell, hey?
Yeah, and also obviously when they're doing the frankincense during the ceremony and they waft the smoke out everywhere. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Ek is nie 'n roker nie, maar as iemand langs my staan en hulle steek daai eerste sigaret op. Ek weet nie, daai eerste reuk is net vir my amazing. Die reuk daarna, nee dankie, dit stink.
Even the cigarette before it is lit.
Oh, yeah.
The actual tobacco, yeah.
Yeah, good yeah.
Ek love die reuk van 'n beeslorry. As ek verby 'n beeslorry ry, moet ek die kar se venster oopmaak.
Oh no, really? That's,
You're on your own.
yeah, no. Excuse.
She grew up on a farm.
Also, just the sight of it is just so sad.
Yeah.
These big ones that go to the...
I'm assuming so.
On the line is... Oh, it's anonymous. I'm interested. Anonymous, good morning. Hello.
Morning. Hi.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm interested just at the sound of anonymous.
Uh-huh, me too.
So what weird smell, how weird can a smell be that you have to keep yourself anonymous that you like?
I like the smell of my own earwax.
Your own earwax. I mean, I don't mind it because then you know you need to dig in there.
I don't think I've ever smelled my own earwax. I've never thought, let me have a whiff of this.
I like the smell of my dog's ear.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, anonymous in a way, same.
Yes, it's good to hear I'm not alone.
Anonymous, I've got a question to ask you. You seem like the type of person, if you like the smell of your own earwax, have you ever smelled your own tonsil stones?
Oh, my own what?
Tonsil stones.
I don't even know what that is. What is that?
What?
So sometimes when you're a little bit ill, there's those little, like the tonsil stones, a little white, have you never had a tonsil stone before?
No,
It's the first
but
time
I do know what you're saying.
Yeah.
I can smell it on my son when he's not well.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, where are you smelling it?
Out of their breath. You can
Oh,
literally.
Oh, it's disgusting.
Exactly.
That is okay. But remember, these are smells you like.
Oh.
Do you like it? Is it something you like? Oh, okay.
Look, there's a bird.
Oh, wow. That just escalated.
Very, very fast.
I do love though how you pulled your nose up at earwax and then went there.
Yeah, it was escalated.
Yes, like. Anonymous, thanks for your call, eh? Do you like other people's earwax as well?
No, just my own.
Oh, just your own. Is it from the earbud or your finger?
Well, it depends. It depends. It's either or.
Which is your favorite?
We are there now.
Yeah, we're curious.
Don't become...
Probably finger.
Probably finger.
Okay. That's what I thought.
Stuff. Thank you. Thank you, Anonymous.
Nice. Bye.
Good chat. If you're just tuning in now, I bet you want your money back. 13 past 8. 084 850 0942. All right, can we stomach one more round of the weirdest smell you like?
Wel, Johan wil beslis nog hê. Ek bedoel, hy het sê, jy weet, kom praat oor sulke goed. En ek dink hy vra eintlik kom praat meer oor sulke goed nie.
Weet jy, Johan, kom ek sê gou vir jou so. Don't pretend like you don't smell stuff. It's a human thing.
It really is.
That you use it to know when something is expired.
Yes.
On things and yourself.
You can't call someone expired. Oh, my earwax is expired.
Why? But you got indication.
You can smell things. You can smell things like infection.
Yeah, the things are not the way they're meant to be.
Oh, I think my hand's expired.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. And it normally takes 3 fingers.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
The thumb just balances the top two as they bring them to your nose.
Is it because you have to like
even
smush
one.
things together?
Yeah, that's also.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. And your finger's always involved.
Yeah.
So it'll be weird just going straight to the source.
No.
Yeah, that's bizarre. Especially on someone else.
Like dogs.
Exactly.
See, that's the differentiator.
I must say, I love the smell of a brand new hosepipe.
Oh, a brand new hosepipe. It's like a plastic.
Plastic rubbery almost. Yeah, I get that.
Yeah, I don't think it's that weird. But also, how often do you smell new hosepipes?
Yeah, you buying once a month?
Daar is niks soos 'n reuk van 'n grondpad waarop iemand ry nie. Daai stof, dit maak skoon my mondwater.
Veral as daai grondpad invat.
Ja.
Op vakansie.
Ja.
Ek ry kom.
Niks bring 'n glimlag op jou gesig soos die reuk van jou eie poep nie.